Mchenguru kwa Rachel Tundu kuligie kiruki gavana Kisii County 2022 igonte tegote banga igonte ku BBI totally embarrassed the president and she can be alenge sokoleta bantamu sokoleta peace in the country, but BBI can embarrass the president. Embarrass the president is in isolation of the deputy president. One year after BBI ya very failed which court ya chile one Supreme Court and tuma tenga agenda rongo chile kubwa asing njulibwa the issues chikogere kubwa. So for that reason that is embarrassing the president and the president tinga elected concentrate mangana legacy relationship where the deputy president akoroki openly about what is happening ego disunite Kenyans ikiagere ro manyene ya sign tinga nere ngane assign ke constitution ego nere bono ku unify hapa Kenya bono nabo ento bikaransanse arangeli nabona bali na raila arangeli na Ruto na abandi bose nabona ngene ko kuliga abandi ba one Kenya ubona kuba kwana nabo ento kwana na Ruto nere abantu ababamu abatebinga ere onibwenzo ere keruko ero manyene sibyo koboko ade wisenye kabwato monta purified ere tigamo bekere ngaki nyarebe na kuniro koboko atigero akinda basuko force abantu nanda basokora abantu intimidation endo mune ikiaba the deputy president is very wrong ikia office ya deputy president nebo na kusikwa ikiagara it is not Samuel, it's not Dr. Ruto it is the office of the deputy president. You want to security for the office of the deputy president. When we don't understand why a deputy president's office become affected, even the services even the corner and even the corner that is very unkind and very unfair. And even the Kibara can read the commenter Ruto Chikura in Jubalia and one to support Ruto Torres UDA. We are saying that is a very good thing. Kiano Mukuna Komokora Mutakona Buchayo, Nyumbanchayo, Boka. Remoko Chayo Mundo in a Roko Boka with Lucy. You only Chikura Chikuna commento, you get President Galgi and Jenga at the embarrass anymore. Aligi Enchera, Iran Komokona Yoko Unite Kenya, Nanda Liguri for agenda Chirichai, Aramego accomplish before he goes out. Ikiara Tigamania Tatum did a good job. And that is the reason why I never took a president to Isabet. One I was so much president from that family. Tabasim Sandi family, Avangari family to be Abia, Nera Singia, so that you can be remembered and these people can be remembered. Otherwise, in Kenya here, what we need is unity. And our engineers to Rabarai. If you are being a whatever, represent the tribe. Even if you are sisi Kenyans ndio tuko na nguvu, ndio tuko na votes, na sisi wenyewe ndio tutapiga kura na yule mtu tutachagua ndiye atakuwa president. So hivi asali biga ndrete ne tobitega nande IBC ere tigeri ere fair te basu soya asijisege chiamanto babwate atutaki waingie ndani arabutika bakole kazi yao independently and bakole batuko to a credible election come 2022.